In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view hidden information on Facebook Marketplace in 2026. If you're trying to learn more about a marketplace listing before contacting a seller or making a decision, the good news is that a lot of useful information is already available if you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find those details clearly and efficiently using the Facebook app or the Facebook website. Start by opening Facebook on your phone or computer. Once you're on the main screen, tap or click on Marketplace. From there, open the listing you're interested in reviewing. This is where most people stop at the photos and headline, but to get the full picture, you'll want to scroll through the entire listing carefully as you move down the page. Look for the full description, the listed price, the item's condition, the seller's approximate location, the category, and the date it was listed if that information is visible. These details can help you understand whether the item is a good fit and whether the listing seems current and complete. If the description looks shortened, tap or click See More. This is important because sellers often include extra details there, such as flaws, measurements, included accessories, or pickup instructions. Expanding the description can reveal information that isn't visible at first glance. Next, tap on the seller's name to open their marketplace profile. This can give you more context about who you're dealing with. Review any seller ratings if they're available, check how many listings they have, and look at their general marketplace activity. You may also be able to see some public profile information, which can help you better understand whether the account appears active and established. If the listing still doesn't answer the most important questions, the next step is to use the message button and ask the seller politely for the missing details. For example, you can ask for the exact dimensions, additional photos, the pickup location, whether the item is still available, and whether there is a warranty or receipt if that applies to the item. A good tip here is to keep your message short, clear, and specific. That usually makes it easier for the seller to respond quickly and accurately. That's really all there is to it. By fully opening the listing, checking the seller's profile, and asking for anything that isn't shown, you can uncover the most important information available on Facebook Marketplace and make more informed decisions before you buy.